Okay, how'd you do this?
So I did 75 times 5, which is
75 times 5.
which is 375.
Okay.
And then there were 4 zeros, so I added those on, and then I moved it up another 3 times.
So you got, so when you multiplied 7,500 and 500, you got, what was your answer?
I got
3,750,000. So did we get to that point where, because it asks the road race will have 7,500 runners, the race organizers want to have 500 milliliters of water available for each runner. Did we get to that answer of 3,750,000 milliliters total? Did anybody get anything different? Okay, because it was 500 milliliters per runner, and there's 7,500 runners, we just have to multiply that. Okay, then you said you moved the decimal place 3 times. Why'd you do that?
Because you have to change it to liters and divide.
Okay, so which is the larger measurement, milliliters or liters?
Liters,
Liters. So if we're going from small to large, we are
divide.
dividing. Any questions about how we got 3,750 liters? Let me correct myself. And Levi, what are we always going to put after the number? A label. The number one issue we had this entire unit with getting marks off in homework was the label. And that's something that can easily be corrected. Okay, moving forward. Number 3A. Gracie. What'd you do? How'd you do it? Why'd you do it? Sure.
I got 60 times.
Thumbs up, thumbs down, agree or disagree?
There's 2 gallons and there's 4 quarts of a gallon.
Bingo. So 50-gallon fish tank, she's using a quart container to fill it up. So she's filling up 1 quart, dumping it in. Filling up 1 quart, dumping it in. Okay? Gracie said that there's 4 quarts in a gallon. So all she did was multiply. Perfect. Levi, do you have a question? Yeah. Sure. Before we move on to B, is any questions with how we got 60 times from 3A? Great. Remember on page 308, now that you're back at your seat, on page 308 there's that conversion box for the customary liquid conversion. So if you don't have that written down on your sheet, I strongly advise that. That pints, the cup, the quart, all those measurements. Okay, do we agree with 120 times, first off? Thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs to the side if you have no idea. Okay, everybody agrees with 120 times. Do we agree that there is 8 pints in a gallon? Okay, we didn't have that conversion on our 308, so how do we get, on page 308, so how do we get that? Yeah. How do we know that? Because it did say 8 pints in 1 gallon. I think it just said 2 pints in 1 quart. So how do we get 8 pints in a gallon? What's that? But I'm saying from page 308, for some of us who have not been accustomed to the conversions, all it said was 2 pints in 1 quart, 4 quarts in 1 gallon. So how did you know that there's 8 pints in 1 gallon?
Oh, I didn't use
You just knew? Josh, how would you do that?
Well, we would do that because since there's one
Perfect. Any questions on number 3? Okay, is it okay if I erase this if we didn't have that work done, or if they did it a different way than you did? Okay, can somebody please come up and do number 4? What's he? I'm calling on everybody today. What'd you do? How'd you do it? Why'd you do it?
Well, I got 16.5 kilograms.
16. Let me write that up. 16.5 kilometers. Thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs aside. Do you agree, disagree, or have no idea? 16.5 kilometers. Okay, we have a couple don't knows, but I see a lot of agreeing. How'd you do it?
Well, there were 1,500. So, 1,500 equals 75. And 3,000. So 3 times 3,000 is 9,000. What the heck?
I was going to say something, but you caught yourself. Okay, so what she's doing right now as she's finished writing that up, it says that Mario has run 5 1,500 meter races. So all she did to find 7,500, she wanted to know how many meters she ran total for the 1,500 meter race. And that got you what? 7,500. And then it says you ran 3 300 meter races for the 3,000 meter races, excuse me. That gives you how much?
9,000.
So how much did he run total?